The internet is one of the greatest gifts humanity has ever received. I mean, think about it. A few years ago, if you wanted to become rich, you needed money, connections, or access. Today, what you need is a laptop, a smartphone, and internet connection. These things can completely change your life. See, there were people who were complete nobodies just a few years ago. They are now millionaires because they understand how to use the internet. And one of my favorite examples is this guy, Kabi Lami. Now, back in 2020, Kabi Lami lost his factory job in Italy. Like millions of other people that lost their jobs during COVID, he had no income. And instead of complaining, he started making simple videos on TikTok. He didn't have any expensive camera. He did not do any fancy editing. He was not even talking. He was doing funny reactions. Fast forward a few years later, right now he has over 160 million followers on TikTok. He has tens of millions of followers on Instagram. He has a brand deal with Boss. He has done a partnership with Binance. He has done campaigns with Nike. He has earned millions of dollars, all because of the internet. And here is the beautiful part. Kabi is not the only one. Thousands of ordinary people have completely changed their lives online. So the question is not, can you become wealthy using the internet? We already know the answer. The real question is, how? How can you do it? If you are starting from zero today, what would you actually do to become wealthy on the internet? And this is what I'm going to share with you in this video. Now, number one is to pick one game. Pick a niche. The first mistake most people make is to try to do everything. You're doing affiliate marketing today, tomorrow you're doing dropshipping, next week you're doing YouTube, next time you're doing crypto. Nothing is given the time to compound. So what you want to do is to pick one thing, one niche, one industry, one skill, one audience. Pick one thing. Now, here's a simple hack. All right. Look at the people that are winning in any industry and ask yourself, do I admire their lifestyle? Would I like to do something similar? If the answer is yes, then you want to start studying that space and seeing how to play there. Now, the second point is to buy speed. And by speed, I mean education. Education is the speed that you need. Listen, the internet rewards people who learn fast. Now, many people hate paying for knowledge. But here's something I've learned. You are going to pay anyways. You either pay an expert to teach you how to do it, or you will pay with years of mistakes and lost money. And trust me, listen, mistakes are usually more expensive. So please and please, read books, take courses, attend seminars, join masterminds, learn from people who have already achieved what you're trying to achieve. Okay? And I'm saying Nigeria, listen, waiting you know Sabi, you've got to learn it. You have to learn. Learn. YouTube is free university. There are other places where you can learn. Learn. That is how you get it. And that brings me to my third step. The third step is to build attention. Listen, the most valuable currency online right now is not money, it's attention. Because attention can always be converted to money. If nobody knows you, nobody can buy from you, and if nobody can buy from you, you're not going to make any money. So what you want to do is to teach online, entertain, inspire, solve problems, make people care. Look at Sabinus, for example. He can boldly do a show in UK tomorrow. Why? Because he has spent years building an audience. Okay, Kabi built attention. Attention is something that turns into influence, and then influence eventually turns into income. And that brings us to the next step. The next step is to execute. And that's where most people fail. So they keep learning, they keep taking courses, they keep buying books, they keep listening to every podcast on the internet. By the way, you should listen to my podcast, Shameless Plug, Entrepreneurs Connection. Listen to that podcast, right? But podcast after podcast, but nothing changes. Why does nothing change? Nothing changes because information does not change lives. Information cannot change your life. Implementation is the thing that changes lives. So if you learn website design, please go and build a website. If you learn copywriting, please start writing copy. Start writing. If you learn affiliate marketing, start marketing. Start promoting. Build your first landing page. Push your first offer. Imagine if somebody you get hired today, you get a job today, and then you wake up tomorrow, you have your bath, you get dressed, and then you sit down in your living room or sit down in front of your house, and every day you're saying, I have a job now. That is what people do, right? That's how you treat knowledge. When you learn and you're not taking action, then nothing is going to happen. That brings us to the fifth step. The fifth step is to learn sales. Learn how to sell. This might just be the highest income skill you ever develop. Listen, I like to say that you're not in the business of doing your business. For example, like I like to say, you're not in the business of hairdressing. You're in the business of selling hairdressing services. You're not in the business of coaching. You're in the business of selling coaching. You're not in the business of barbing. You're in the business of selling barbing services. So you have to learn. Now, you don't get paid for creating. You get paid when somebody buys. So a great product that nobody knows about is still a product that did not do well. So please learn marketing, learn persuasion, learn positioning, learn how to create offers, learn about sales, because if you can sell, you will never be broke for long. I don't say never be broke, but a man that knows how to sell will never be broke for long. That brings us to our final point, which is something that a lot of people don't like to admit, is luck. Okay, let's talk about something. See, most successful, they don't like to admit this. Luck matters. Sometimes you meet the right person. Sometimes the algorithm will favor you. Sometimes one video just changes everything. It just blows up. Sometimes one opportunity changes your life. But this is something I've noticed, right? Luck will rarely visit or come to anybody who is not moving. We say this quote, say a moving man will one day meet his luck. Right? So the people who get lucky, they're usually moving. They have something to get lucky with. They are posting consistently. They are learning. They are building. They are trying. And when opportunity finally arrives, they are ready. A wise man once defines luck as when opportunity meets preparation. So listen, the internet has created a lot of opportunities than any generation in the history. The question is no longer whether wealth is possible. The question is, will you position yourself to take advantage of it? Because at the end of the day, 5 years from now, you either wish you started today or you'll be grateful that you actually took action and started. Right? So if you want to get rich on the internet, if you want to get wealthy on the internet, if you want to leverage the internet as a tool for wealth, then these are the steps I believe that you should take. So guys, let me know in the comments. Did this video make sense to you? Did you learn something? Do you have a question? Leave a question below. I will be here to answer as well. And you may want to binge watch other videos on the channel because there is surely a lot from where this came from. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and now see you in the next video. Cheers.